Welcome. This would be our third class for map location for 2017. We would be covering the various locations from the month of March and April. Now the first location that we would be talking about is Sahibganj to Manihari. Now this has been proposed as a multimodal bridge on National Waterway 1 on Ganga River. This would move from Sahibganj in Jharkhand to Manihari in Bihar. So this has been in news recently and is important. The next important location is Kanha Tiger Reserves. Now we have numerous tiger reserves that are important. Kanha was in news recently. Kanha lies in Madhya Pradesh and it was in news because the mascot of Barasingha has been proposed for this century. The next location here is the Loktak Lake. Now the area mark shows the Manipur region and you have the Loktak Lake here. Now first of its kind of a floating elementary school has been launched in the Loktak Lake region. It is known for the floating lake. It is known as a floating lake, and you have the first elementary school. The two villages that it would be serving would be Langol Sabi. So that would be the first village, Langol Sabi Lekia, and the another village would be the Champu Kampong. So these would be the two villages that it would be serving this elementary school. The next is Patal Ganga. Patal Ganga was in news because the National Institute of Securities Market has been proposed at Patal Ganga in Maharashtra. So it has been in news. The next important location is Barghar. Barghar lies in Odisha and it has been in news because of the goddess Samleshwari, whose temple has been built up here, and there is a kind of 11 days Durga festival that is celebrated in Barghar. So you have the 11 days festival. This Barghar lies on Jira river, and you have the mandap that has been proposed there, and that mandap is known as the Hathpada Mandap. The next location is Garonda. Now Garonda was in news because you have the Indo-Israel Center for Horticulture Development that has been released in the Haryana. You have this location near Karnal area, and this region was in news in the recent Kurukshetra magazine. So you have this location that we have taken from there. The next is the Medzipam. Medzipam is known as the headquarters for the Central Institute of Horticulture. It was established in 2006 and it serves the whole of the northeast region. So Medzipam in Nagaland is an important location, and it is the Central Institute for Horticulture which has been established in this area. The next is Ganga Devi Palli. Now this region was lies in Telangana and was in news because there was a toilet pit cleaning activity that was launched here, and all the government officials were involved in this act. So this area lies in the Warangal district. So you have the Ganga Devi Palli that is important. The next is the 6 cities of Arunachal Pradesh which were recently renamed by China. So you have the Indian names and the Chinese names. So ones in the brown are the Indian names and the ones in the white are the Chinese names. So you have Bumla, which is an Indian name, and the corresponding Chinese name is Bumlola. Similarly, you have Namka Chu, that's the Indian name, and you have the Namka Pabri. So wherever you have Ri towards the end, in simple terms you can say this Ri marks the Chinese names. So you have the 6 cities that you have here. So you have a city which lies in Tawang that has been known as Milari by China. Similarly, Chotan Karpo Ri has been known as the Kyudo Garpo Ri, and similarly you have the 2 other names as well. So all these locations have been important because China has been trying to capture parts of Arunachal Pradesh, and in that act it has renamed few of the cities of Arunachal Pradesh. The next is Sukma. Sukma district lies in southern Bastar area of Chhattisgarh region. This was in news because of the Masoist attack that has been taken place recently, and there were numerous CRPF policemen who were killed under this act. So you have Sukma. Now what we would be covering in the next 10 slides would be the GI tags. Now let's discuss what is the GI tag first, and then we will move on to the GI locations. So you have GI tags is the product that corresponds to a specific geographical location, and you have a kind of traditional reputation that has been attached to that region. So you have a traditional reputation that is attached to that region. Now there are numerous GI tag regions that have been declared. The recent one that was in news was the Devgarh Sindhudurg, that is known for the production of mangoes and kokum. So you have Sindhudurg, which is known for both mangoes and kokum, and Devgarh, which is known for mangoes. Now this was in news because this has got the GI tag recently. However, you have other important locations which have got GI tag. They are obviously not contemporary but have been important, since you have the GI tag that has been given to this region for 2017. The next region is, the next location is Kolhapur. Kolhapur has been given the GI tag for two things. The first is the Kolhapuri chappals and the Kolhapuri jaggery. So two things for Kolhapur. The next is Mahabaleshwar. Mahabaleshwar has been given the GI tag for strawberries, again in Maharashtra. So you have Mahabaleshwar for strawberries. The next is Nasik, again in Maharashtra, for grapes. So grape production from Nasik region in Maharashtra. The next is Jalgaon. Jalgaon is known for, again, has been given GI tag for two things. The first is the brinjal and second is the banana. Again in brinjal you have the Bharat brinjal that has been given the GI tag for Jalgaon. The next location is Nagpur. Nagpur got its GI tag for oranges. So Nagpur oranges are famous. The next location is Marathwada. Now in the Maharashtra region, if we try to demarcate the four areas, you have the Konkan Goa, you have the Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, and finally the Vidarbha region. Now this region, which is the Marathwada region, is known for production of Kesar mangoes. So you have the summer season where you have ample of Kesar mango production in the Marathwada region. The next is Dhananu and Golwad. Again, both of the locations lie in Maharashtra itself, and these two locations got their GI tag for the production of chiku. So again a fruit. So you have GI location for chiku in Dhananu and Golwada in Maharashtra. The next is Ratnagiri. Ratnagiri is known for mango production, but the GI tag here is known for kokum. So kokum production in Ratnagiri. And lastly you have the Vengurla, again in Maharashtra, and this is known for cashew nut production. Under cashew nut production, it is considered that the cashews from Venugurla have nearly 5 times the vitamin C content as compared to the oranges, and they are known for their flavor. So with this we cover the 20 locations for the contemporary maps sections for this time. We would be covering the next class in the next month, and we will continue it till the mains examination. Wish you good luck for your exams. For any doubts or suggestions, you can leave those as comment below the video. Have a good day ahead.